Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd do a quick video because I had some happy mail, and this one is by Prince by Millie again, because I love supporting other small businesses. I think it is the way to go, is to support small businesses. I have a few others I'm going to show that I bought, which I didn't unwrap at the time because there was people in the house. I'm still very unconfident of talking in the house where there's people. So I'm home alone today and I'm ready to open. You can't see the package. It's a lovely package. I love these boxes, Millie. I'm going to have to try and invest in things like this. Okay, here we go. Oh, I know. Okay. Right. So you get a little card with Prince by. Let me move my big tonic scissors out the way. You don't need to see that, do you? I love my tonic scissors, by the way. So you get a Prince by Millie card. I've lost my train of thought. Let me have a sip of coffee because I've lost my train of thought. With all her details on, which I need to start doing. I know I said that last time, but I have been so focused on getting my website up and running properly. That the little bits, and then you get a little. I love this one, and I love the fact it shows you drawing the lovely little frog. I was looking forward to this. So yes, I am going to scan the code to leave my review. I'm going to scan the code. No, I'm already part of your email list. I don't need to do that. But I do need to do one of these as well. So much to do running a small business. Okay. Beautifully gift wrapped. So I like the way you've done your tissue paper. See, I wrap each one individually. It takes so much time, but I quite like this one. And you get a lovely little sticker, which I will now peel off. There's something rather satisfying about opening presents to yourself that you bought. Don't know about you. So what did I go for? I got a little sticker, and I'm not going to use this as a sticker because I don't know, but I am thinking of putting this sticker on my little crafty doors. So you get, I got myself a little bath sticker, which I absolutely love. Little froggy in a bath. I've already coloured him in, and I did film one, but my filming went a little bit wrong. So we haven't got a colouring filming in. Anyway, I'm going to put this on my metal doors where I keep all my stuff for my own craft, and use it as kind of like a decorative on the awful black doors I've got. I also got some stickers. Look how lovely these are. Now these I'm going to, as I said, I don't really use stickers, but I bought them for a present, and she's not online, and because she's so young, for my goddaughter. And because she loves stickers and all things like this, and animals and anything cute. So every collection that you launch, Millie, up until Christmas, I'm going to purchase, and it will go for my goddaughter's Christmas present. So I'm going to keep that just how it is, not opening it. And this I have ordered myself and for my bit. Oh, I like that on the back. That's rather nice, isn't it? Do you know, I have one of these I got from Co-op with mine, as you can see here. But I like the way you've got your little your website on it. Maybe when the ink runs out, I'll buy another one. Treat myself to another one. I like that. So this notepad, I bought the Ducky notepad. I don't think that's the right name for it, Millie. Sorry, I'm kind of renaming all your products. You may be able to tell that I was an early years teacher, which means that I use really silly language for animals like Ducky and Froggy. Anyway, I bought a notepad because I run my own business, as you all know, hopefully, and I do religious occasions, and I want to get a notepad for each occasion so I can write down notes on each occasion, when they are, first of all, because obviously some religious occasions are more popular than others. So obviously we all know when Christmas is, we know roughly when Easter is each year, but obviously I do all religious occasions. So, and I've learned so much stuff, so each one is going to have its own book. But also when I do orders, and if I need to write a message to the buyer, I now use Millie's notepads as well. And I got a message the other day on Etsy to say, what lovely paper, where did you get that from? And I advertised you, Millie, just to let you know. So hopefully the buyer will come back to you and order one herself. So there we go, I'm advertising you while people are buying my products. So here we go, we're working together, small businesses working together. So yes, I got a notepad, and I love the fact for this one it's lined, because I don't write straight, and that's very good. So I might use this one for notes in packages for other people. So yes, I loved it. Thank you so much, Millie, that is so lovely. And I will be sure to give you a little shout out on Instagram. I'm going to take photos as well and advertise you on Instagram as well. We must all work together, small businesses, stick together. Now, before I go and do my unwrapping of my big Christmas order I got from Hunky Dory, which I'm so excited about to show you, I am also going to show you what I ordered the other day from another small business. And I didn't unwrap it live because, as I said, I was in a house full of people. Let me move Prince by Millie, because that wasn't from Prince by Millie. This isn't from Prince by Millie. This is from RebelJones. Lovely Beck. Absolutely love her. I ordered my first product from RebelJones, and I don't care, you can see my notes. So, and this is a planner, Dream Plan Do, and I am very disorganised. I would show you my craft room again, but it's extremely messy, which I'm going to tidy up in a minute. And I need help. Because, as you know, I've done a video on it, I have a chronic illness as well as running a small business, and I need to plan my business around my chronic illness. So as you can see, I have had a few days off. So the last time I did this was the 25th of June, because I have been at hospital. But that's for another time. Don't need to talk about that. So as you can see, I have written all my things, what I'm going to do. So from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, I do social media. And then what products I'm going to use to make my stuff, fitting my GPs in, when I add my listings, obviously just remind myself to eat, my free time, and then my bedtime. Plus my goals for the day. To be fair, I'm doing that, and I don't know why I didn't put anything I'm proud of. Maybe because I don't know, but I love this. As you can see, I have used, also, can I just say, I love the fact, RebelJones, that it's blank at the back, because this was the day before I had days off. As you can see, I wrote notes, and I had to have my lunch. And then I was at hospital all this time, so hence why it's not filled in. You can write notes on the back. And this has been really, and this is my Etsy SEO thing. So I love the fact that you can write notes on the back as well. And, you know, it's a 2-in-1 notepad. I love this. This is going to stay on my desk right by me, because I am back full time from Monday. Been taking it slow, and I did another order from a small business, and I haven't started it yet because I wanted to show it to you before I coloured her in. I got this one from, let me just get her name correctly, because from Lilibets. I knew it was, I was just double checking, and as you may know, I had mentioned it a few times, because I am sorry, I have to drink my coffee in the morning. I'm only allowed one coffee a day now, and I enjoy it. Anyway, I was an early years teacher, and there is nothing I love more than colouring in. Do you know what? The first few weeks of school when they were in nursery, and we used to do their self-portraits, and listen to me going on and one. You can tell I still love the profession. I just loved colouring. And when she kept, Lilibets, I must know your real name. Can you please tell me your real name? Unless it is your real name, I'm being very offensive. And if so, I really apologise. I saw she kept advertising this colouring book, and I thought I must have this. Now, I haven't started it yet because I am saving it for if I need to go into hospital and give me something to do, or in the evenings before bed, which is probably, or both. And I got some lovely stickers, and you know what, again, I really like these, and I'm not really a sticker person. And when she asked me, do you mind if I have stickers, I said no, because I mean, no, I don't mind. No, I don't want them. Because again, I'm going to give this to my lovely goddaughter because she loves stickers, and it's going to go with the froggy, and I'm going to send them down. And again, it's advertising because you've got your little name on, and I know my best friend will absolutely love supporting small businesses. So I am looking forward to having a little, to hearing my goddaughter's, looking forward to seeing her reaction. I can't talk today. This is why I don't vlog very much. I just either ramble or I get all my words confused. So this is a lovely colouring book. Absolutely love it. Please, 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 please go and support Lilibets. But Lilibets, yes. I thought, do you know, I could think I'm getting it wrong. I'm not getting it wrong. So that was my other small business. And also, I got this lovely little colouring page. Now, I haven't opened this. I thought, you know what, I'll save this for my little opening. I love your little envelopes. You know, I'm terrible at filming. Why am I so terrible at filming? And do you know what I like about you, Lilibets, your packaging, is your lovely address labels. I love those, and I'm so sad I didn't get to film opening it, even though I don't want anyone to know where I live. I don't think my husband and mother-in-law would like that. Not that anyone would come up. Ooh, ooh, another lovely sticker. Oh, look at that. Lovely sticker. This one I'm going to keep myself, and it's going to go on my metal cabinets, like I said before. And another lovely colouring paper. Oh, I love the quality of your paper. Ooh, I really like this. And do you know what? I love your little stamp at the bottom. Yes, I am so super happy with all my small business sticks. So my aim for each month is to buy product from a small business each month. Now, but I might buy more than one. I mean, obviously this month, I'm going to be honest, this month and next month, money might be, I might not be able to buy too much because I am literally buying everything Christmas, Diwali, Hanukkah, and New Year-ish. All my cardstock coming in, red, gold, green. Anyway, that's for another video. But that is my aim because small businesses must support each other. So I will love and leave you for that. I'm going to do another video in a minute, unboxing my things I bought for my business. I'm so excited for that. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for all your lovely things. I love you all very much. I love your products, and I will be shopping from those three again, and I will find another small business, I'm sure, to buy from. Please excuse the messy background in the classroom. I am going to tidy it up. It's just finding when.